This is the bar stool set of two. It's got the armrest with the adjustable swivel bar stools. These are going to be in black. The double kneaded PU leather counter height bar stools for kitchen island. This is everything you're going to get inside your box. It's going to be a 2-pack, and I'm going to show you how simple this is to put together. Follow along with me. It's going to be super simple. We're just first going to take off this little rubber piece off the end here. Then we're going to go ahead and take our ring out of the little bag and our base. You want to put the ring on and attach the base. Now set this aside. Then you want to grab the actual seat cushion. You're going to grab your little Allen wrench and your screws. Start by attaching one armrest at a time. You will need 3 screws at a time, and just simply tighten them. Now grab the second armrest and tighten those screws as well. Now you're going to attach your base, and this is going to be with the leftover 4 screws. It's going to have the arrow that lets you know which direction to put the front of the bar stool. And that way, when you're sitting in it, your feet will be able to use the footrest and swivel at the same time. Once that's attached, you're going to go ahead and set it into your base. It's going to pop into place, and voila! You have got a modern, gorgeous, quality-made bar stool, perfect for any kitchen counter, bar, man cave, gaming room, any room, you name it.